What's up, Brainy Bunch? This is part 3 of 8-part series where I'll be continuing with the Netflix landing page. We've already covered the project setup and even the landing page. Now, what's next? Damn, you're right. TvEnjoy Section. Amazing, isn't it? With that, let's begin. Create a new folder inside the components directory and a similarly named file. Create a new React component and default export that. Give the whole component some padding and change the background and text color. Even align all the text in the center. For the heading and subheading, put them inside a div and add some breakpoint for responsiveness. To view this newly created but still incomplete component, hook it up in the landing page component just below the hero section. Let's have a look at what we have so far. Well, that's not good. Can we make this better? Damn sure we can. First off, let's make the landing component a flex column and add some background color. Can you now see the border kind of effect here? Well, that was what I was aiming for. Now, let us together make this component beautiful. Make the text bigger and bolder. For the subheading, add some margin top as well. For the heading, add some breakpoints for the medium-sized screen. Let's have a look at it now. The text part seems okayish. Now comes the knowledge of wisdom you were waiting for. The video with an image overlay. Add a div for this overlay section and make the parent div a grid for medium screens and above so that things can be aligned accordingly. Back to the overlay section, give it maximum width of 640 pixels with this class name. To center align this, give it margin auto. Make this position relative as well because we'll be positioning some components inside as absolute and make it overflow hidden. Add two TV images. One will be used to give this container a proper width while the other will be used as an overlay. Sounds confusing? Well, bear with me for a moment. See this now. Okay, here it comes. Make the first image absolute and give it some Z index. For the second image, just make it transparent by giving it 0 opacity. Now look at it. We can just see the first image because the second one is made transparent. Can you tell me why the images are not taking up twice the screen length? Well, right. Because the first image is absolutely positioned. The last thing that remains is to add a video source, and that we can do inside the video tag and defining a source. See this now. Two problems. First, the video is not playing, and second, it's not well positioned. To tackle the video not playing automatically, you have to mute it first because many browsers do not support videos automatically playing when unmuted. This video will be played infinitely too using loop attribute. Now to position it perfectly, let's add some class names. Position this absolutely and add some constraints from top and the left edges of the video. Even give it a class object cover. Open the browser and it's not working. Weird. No worries, just refresh the page and see the magic. See, it's responsive and so it looks gorgeous on all screen sizes too. With that, this section of the landing page is over and I hope you learned something useful. If you did, then please like and subscribe. In the next section, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process of creating the download source section, which is quite amazing but easier than the one we just worked on. See you there. Peace.